If you're pissed off with heavy metals, chemicals, and chlorine in your city water, then Waterdrop G3P600 reverse osmosis system is perfect for you. We've done a detailed review of this under-sink filter based on critical factors like the contaminant removal rate, filtration capacity, and ease of installation to determine if it's worth your money. So, without any further ado, let's get started. As always, you'll find links to exclusive discounts in the description below. First, let's talk about the real game-changer contaminant removal. The Waterdrop G3P600 boasts an impressive 8-stage reverse osmosis filtration with an added UV sterilization feature. Independent testing against NSF standards has shown that this system can remove 1,000+ harmful contaminants from your water supply, such as chlorine, chloramines, PFAS, and other nasty stuff. Moving on, let's talk about filtration capacity. G3P600 has an impressive filtration capacity of 720 gallons or 6 months. The dirty water is passed through 3 filter cartridges CB, CF, and RO. The filtration capacity of the first compound filter is 6 months or 550 gallons. The second stage RO element is 24 months or 2,200 gallons, and the third stage rear carbon rod filter is 12 months or 100 gallons. Cherry on the cake, G3P600 has a commendable water flow rate of 42 gallons per minute GPM or 600 gallons of filtered water per day, so you won't be left waiting for that refreshing glass of water. It can fill a regular glass in just 8 seconds, suitable for drinking and washing your veggies or fruits. If you're finding this video valuable, then know that 99% of you don't subscribe. Do subscribe so that you are that top 1% who will help support more such useful content. Now, let's address the practical side of things. Ease of installation and maintenance. It is quite easy and hassle-free to install G3P600. The compact tankless design takes less space under the sink. However, ensure there is a power socket and a drain area beneath. Talking about maintenance, the forward-facing twist and pull filter cartridges are designed for quick and easy filter replacements. The filter comes with smart TDS monitoring and an LED display on the system, as well as on the smart faucet. It also has circular light indicators for the 3 filters to notify you when their lifespan is over and needs replacement. The system has a 2:1 pure-to-drain ratio, which means that for every 2 liters of clean water, it drains 1 liter of water containing impurities. Waterdrop G3P600 is certified against NSF 58 for TDS reduction and NSF 372 for lead-free material. Let's not forget about customer support and warranty. Waterdrop offers good customer service to address your queries. You can contact them via email, phone call, or live chat facility available on their website. The filter comes with a 1-year limited warranty against any defects or malfunctions in the unit, including repair or replacement of the filter. You will also get a 30-day satisfaction guarantee, so you can return their product and get your money back if it fails to do its job. Now, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Users have reported some noise and vibration from the motor or pump during filtration and water dispensing. Another issue reported is with the filter's durability. But overall, the Waterdrop G3P600 is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a compact and efficient under-sink water filtration system. With its impressive contaminant removal, user-friendly design, and a solid customer support, it offers good value for your money. So there you have it, our in-depth review of the Waterdrop G3P600. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share. Cheers!